Are your AI coding agents working against each other? Cursor AI just dropped an update that lets them collaborate like never before. Learn to orchestrate multiple AI agents in Cursor AI using the new Agents window, /worktree, and /bestofn commands to build complex code faster and with fewer conflicts, boosting your coding productivity immediately. The problem, why this matters. Dealing with conflicting code changes when multiple agents work on a single codebase. Most developers struggle to compare AI model outputs effectively for prompt tuning. Cursor AI's 3.6.31 update introduces an Agents window for parallel multi-agent execution, /worktree for isolated dev, and /bestofn for rapid comparison. Getting set up. Ensure you're running Cursor AI version 3.6.31 or higher. github.com/uslook/Cursor AI downloads. Access the new Agents window by pressing Command-Shift-P and searching for Agents window. Connect to your local workspace, cloud environments, or remote SSH for agent execution. Core technique. Step by step. Step 1. Open the Agents window and initiate parallel agents for different tasks, e.g., refactor component X and add test for Y. Step 2. Use the -worktree new branch name command within an agent's context to create an isolated Git worktree for specific changes. Step 3. After agent tasks, use -bestofn task to run the same prompt across multiple models like DeepSeek R1, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and compare outputs side by side for optimal results. Key variable. Adjust agent personas and prompt details within the Agents window for tailored output. Advanced tips and variations. Power user trick 1. Utilize design mode to visually target UI elements in the browser for agent-driven browser automation. Power user trick 2. Integrate Cursor with DeepSeek R1 or Claude 3.7 Sonnet for cutting-edge code generation. Combination. Use -worktree for exploratory changes and -bestofn to validate the best generated code before merging. Real-world results. Example: refactor a legacy API, generate new unit tests, and simultaneously debug a front-end component using parallel agents. Time/money saved. Reduce coding time by 30% by eliminating manual context switching and conflicting merges. Use cases: rapid prototyping, large-scale refactoring, multi-model prompt engineering, comprehensive code review. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.